Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Skills Academy. Dear friends, our today's video is based on the most important general knowledge notes. Viewers and friends, if you are appearing in the competitive exams or you have applied for any post in the government sector, you are required to attempt a test based on the general knowledge. So the question is, what kind of general knowledge is selected in these kinds of tests? Viewers, general knowledge is very vast subject. You have to prepare so many questions. We have attempted and selected 100 questions in this video, and in near future we will upload the next videos. This video based on the most important general knowledge questions that have asked in the past PPSC, NTS, FPSC, all these kind of testing agencies. So let's start the first question. Book My Struggle was written by Adolf Hitler. Question number 2. How many rings are in Olympic flag? There are 5 rings in the Olympic flag. The first man in the space, Yuri Gagarin, was the first man in the space. Where in your body is your patella? Knee. The kneecap is called patella. Who is called the king of swing? Viewers, Benny Goodman is called the king of swing. Later on, the legend Wasim Akram is also called the king of swing, but the first man who is called the king of swing is Benny Goodman. Who invented television? John Logie Baird invented television. Disease caries belongs to tooth decay. This disease caries is a disease of tooth decay. Viewers, before going to the next question, my suggestion is please subscribe our channel so that the latest videos may come to you in time. And question number 8 is, how many in a fathom? Fathom consists of 6 things. Which leader was died in St. Helena? The famous leader Napoleon Bonaparte died at St. Helena. Question number 10 is, most Oscar awards won by? So far, Walt Disney won the maximum number of Oscar awards. Question number 11 is, which award has words for value on it? Victoria Cross has the words for value on it. IMF stands for International Monetary Fund. Which company was owned by Bill Gates? Microsoft company was owned by Bill Gates, and now he has transferred most of its shares to his daughter. Which country grows most fruits? China grows most fruits in the world. Question number 15 is, currency of Austria. Shilling is the currency of Austria. Question number 16, Alfred Nobel invented what? Alfred Nobel invented dynamite, and for this invention the Nobel Prizes were started in his honor. Radium was discovered by? The Curies discovered the radium. Question number 18, alopecia is lack of hair. When a person is suffering from the lack of hair, we can say that he is suffering from alopecia. Baby rabbit is called kit or kitten? Question number 20. Cigar is related to which famous personality? Sir Winston Churchill. Cigar is related to Sir Winston Churchill. Question number 21. Acid used in car batteries. Sulfuric acid is used in car batteries. Group of owls is called parliament. Question number 23. Famous black hole is in which city? It is in Calcutta, India. Question number 24. La Gioconda is better known as Mona Lisa. She is better known as Mona Lisa. What is the capital of Ethiopia? Addis Ababa. Largest state of USA? Alaska is the largest state of USA. Question number 27. Alexander Graham Bell was born. He was born in Edinburgh in 1847. Who invented the telephone? Logarithms invented by John Napier invented the logarithms in 1614. World's first high level language? IBM Fortran was the first high level language. Question number 30. American state Delaware is also called the Diamond State. Question number 31. Process Galena produces what metal? In this process, lead is produced. Who discovered blood circulation? Sir William Harvey discovered the blood circulation. Question number 33. Jodo means gentle way. Question number 34. Animal lives in a tree. Squirrel lives in a tree. Famous Louis Brown, born in 1978. He is famous because he was the first test tube baby. Question number 36. Negev desert located in Israel. 37. Age of Reason and Rights of Man books were written by Sir Thomas Paine. 38. Capital of Sicily? Palermo. Question number 39. First diesel loco introduced by Germany in 1912. Question number 40. Which two metals are alloyed to make pewter? Tin and lead are alloyed to make pewter. Polyandry woman means a woman who has more than one husband is called polyandry woman. The brand Mercedes was introduced in 1901, first time in the history. Capital of Morocco is Rabat. Question number 44. Zambia and Zimbabwe are used to call Rhodesia. What digit does not exist in Roman numerals? 0. Views 0 is not existed in Roman numerals. Which European country is divided into areas called cantons? Switzerland is divided into cantons. Question number 47. Who transmitted radio signals across Atlantic? And the answer is Marconi in 1901. Viticulture is growing of what plants? Viticulture is growing vines. Viewers, before going to the next question, I suggest you to subscribe to our channel. Our channel Skills Academy provides you the latest information regarding upcoming jobs and the information regarding the tests of government jobs. Besides the job related material, our channel also provides you the educational notes for the intermediate students, graduation students, master students and MPhil students. So subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, Eiffel Tower enhances in summer. In every summer, Eiffel Tower enhances 6 inches. Which sea in the world have no beaches? Sargasso Sea has no beaches. Which country has smallest birth rate? Vatican City has the smallest birth rate in the world. Question number 52. Which country was the first to introduce old age pensions? Germany was the first country to introduce it. Question number 53. There is an eagle and snake on the map of which country? Mexico is the right answer. Group of cats is called chowder. Question number 55. Chemical symbol of tungsten is W. 3rd May is observed internationally as Press Freedom Day. Question number 57. Who is Francois Fillon? He was the foreign PM of France. Former PM of France. Question number 58. Largest island in the Indian Ocean? Madagascar is the largest island in the Indian Ocean. Kyat is the currency of Myanmar. Kyoto Protocol, the environmental treaty, was expired in which year? 2012. Question number 61. In 1968, which category was first time introduced in Nobel Prizes? Economics. The category of economics was introduced first time in 1968. Currency of Latvia, Euro. Philip VI is the new king of Spain. Question number 64. Book of Hillary Clinton that was published in 2014. Hard Choices. Hard Choices was the book of Hillary Clinton that was published in 2014. Question number 65. Filaments in light bulb are made up of tungsten. Question number 66. Served as president as well as PM of Pakistan, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, late, was the president and he also served as PM of Pakistan. Long Walk to Freedom is the autobiography of Nelson Mandela. First meeting of ECO, Economic Cooperation Organization, was held at Iran. And which city? Tehran. How many emirates or states exist in UAE Federation? 7. Question number 70. Salat-e Khusuf is offered at the time of lunar eclipse. Question number 71. Alps mountain range situates in Europe. Capital of Somalia is Mogadishu. Biography of Adolf Hitler is Mein Kampf. Brightest planet of the solar system is Venus. Question number 75. Paleontology is the study of what? Fossils. The study of fossils is called paleontology. Question number 76. Famed chef, cooking expert and television personality Zubaida Appa passed away on 4th January 2018. She belongs to Pakistan. Ex-Chief of Air Staff Asghar Khan from Pakistan passed away on 5th January 2018. Pakistan joined SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization, as a full member at the summit on 9th June 2017 at Kazakhstan. Question number 79. Donald Trump tweeted harshly against Pakistan on, the answer is 1st January 2018. Which Pakistani climber tried to climb Mount Everest without oxygen last winter 2020 for world record? Muhammad Ali Sadpara. And you know he passed away in this try. Question number 81. In which format Asia Cup 2018 was played among Asian cricket teams? ODI format. Question number 82. Which country recently banned English in primary schools after leaders' warning? Iran banned English in primary schools. Question number 83. How many teams participated in FIFA World Cup 2018 played in Russia June 2018? 32 teams participated in that World Cup. Question number 84. Heart of Asia Istanbul process 7th Ministerial Conference held on 1st of December 2017. And next question is, in which place dance is Baku? Question number 86. The History of Walls book was written by Emily Fredolin. Wrote the book History of Walls. Mike Pence is the dash president of America. Mike Pence is the 48th vice president of the America. 2017 UN Bonn Climate Change Conference held at Germany. Question number 89. 2017 Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit was held in Vietnam. How many countries voted against Trump's Jerusalem move in UN General Assembly? 128 countries voted against the Trump's resolution. When UN Assembly rejects Trump's Jerusalem move? 21st December 2017. Question number 92. On which date USA President Donald Trump recognized Jerusalem as an Israel's capital? 6 December 2017. Which country teams failed to reach out World Cup football for the first time after 60 years? Italy failed to reaching out the World Cup football. Question number 94. Robert Mugabe resigned after ruling 30 years. He was the president of Zimbabwe. In which country it's mandatory for all male citizens ages 18 to 27 to serve 1 year in army? Russia. Question number 96. World Diabetes Day is observed on 14th November every year. Which papers were published by ICIJ that published Panama Papers? Paradise Papers. Question number 98. Nobel Prize for Literature 2017 won by Kazuo Ishiguro won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 2017. Current Director General of International Organization of Migration is William Lacy. And the last question is, Indian government cancelled subsidy for Muslims on Hajj on 16th January 2018, and this subsidy was first introduced by the British rulers in subcontinent in 1932. So viewers, in this video we discuss the most important general knowledge questions. This video will help you to compete and to be successful in the competitive exams and all kinds of posts in government sector. This will also help you to get the latest information of world general knowledge as well as Pakistan general knowledge. Thanks for watching.